The girls are exploring. Here's Boo over here. She's got a plastic bottle, and Harley doesn't like plastic bottles, so as long as Boo has that, then Harley will leave her alone. What you doing, Boo? Boo! Hey, Boo! What you doing? The girls are out back in the corner sniffing something. Oh, here comes Dexter! Dexter! Comes Molly and Millie. Checking out the perimeter. Millie! There goes Boo. Gonna sniff. There's Molly. There she goes. She's pooping now.